A few questions then before we round off quickly. Can I pray all of my prayers at once together when I reach home due to difficulties with praying at work or school? It's not permissible to combine all of your prayers together at one time. You can combine your Dhuhr and Asr if needed at times, Maghrib and Isha if needed at times, but you're not allowed to combine all of your prayers in one go at the end of the day. Somebody who's working, somebody in employment, that shouldn't be an issue because you always have breaks, you always have lunch, this break, that break. You can always ask to try and get some type of opportunity to pray, only takes 10 minutes. So you should not combine in that way. The one thing you could do is, if you can only get one break, for example, that you get your break which is going to overlap the end of Dhuhr time and the beginning of Asr time. So let's say, for example, in winter, Dhuhr ends at, let's say, 1:30 and Asr starts at 1:30. Maghrib at 4 o'clock. So you should get your break at, say, 1:20 to 1:40. So that immediately as you get your break, you can still just about pray your Dhuhr in time. And then just at the end of your break, before you go back, you can pray your Asr right at the beginning of its time. So you've prayed both prayers in their times without even needing to combine, by praying at a time where it overlaps from one time of the prayer to the next time of the next prayer. Pray one in its time and the other in its time, end of its time, beginning of its time. So that could be done, you could try and work that out. But you can't combine all of your prayers in one go at the end of the day, that's not permissible.